Habai kran haloru drugs ubala nang ksam hak lang sa lang lingba ki khon samla la sham ba jing yok kam yaki bependon kam yau new jingdi penbuan kala nang jor kat nang mi kisnam. Haba kran sikilat patai kubor hak no pai sngi jong stantarik glober arja arpusau u Director General of Police Kajella u Dr. L.R. Bishnoi da kaba ajing ken baki brio ki bependon kam drugs kila nang kiu na ru usnam arajar khat ar hadu menta ula ong. Ba 10% ki pasak kem ki de ki kentai bat kat ba ki pasak pat khandai 4% ki de ki shenrang dak ba pen pa ba ki bor pulit ki sim khia ba ha ka be dei ba drugs ula ong batang hau Bnai kala lengkot bat rempang mentau snam arja arpusaru la yo kam hadu 1 kilogram u Drok heroin.
Just to brief you quickly, in 2022 we have registered 116 cases. In 2023, our case registrations has gone up to 189. And in 2024, in the first 2 months, January and February, total 13 cases were registered. Our arrest figure is continuously going up. In 2022, 234 persons were arrested. In 2023, 355 people were arrested, and 2024 in the first 2 months, 25 people were arrested. So 610 arrests so far after my joining, and out of that 10% are women traffickers. In the 61 are women and the rest are male. We have recovered 7.5 kg heroin in 2022. 16.3 kg heroin in 2023 and nearly 1 kg heroin in 2024 in the first 2 months. So our total seizure of heroin will be approximately 26 kg. We have recovered marijuana in 2022, 3,987 kg. In 2023, nearly 1,400 kg. But in 2024, the recovery has gone up and it is 4,750 kg. At one go, the Kyrwoh district police has recovered it. Likewise, the Yaba tablets recovery has also increased. In 2022, nearly 19,000 tablets were recovered. In 2023, more than 60,000 tablets were recovered. And in 2024, initial 2 months, nearly 2,000 tablets were recovered. Other psychotropic tablets, 16,928 in 2022, 32,298 in 2023, and 600 in 2024, first 2 months. For the first time in the history of the Meghalaya police, we have recovered crystal meth, that is 14.2 kg, and crystal meth is a very, very costly drug. The rate in the market is approximately 1.5 crore rupees per kg. Likewise, cough syrup in 2022, 28,000 bottles were recovered, and in 2023, 88,000 bottles were recovered. In 2024, the first 2 months, nearly 112 tablets in the bottles were recovered. Mobile phones, we have recovered 137 in 2022, 408 in 2023, and 30 so far in the 2024. The cash recovery, we have broken the 50-year records. In 2022, the 36 lakh rupees were recovered, but in 2023, nearly 45.6 lakh rupees were recovered. And in 2024, 60,000 rupees recovered so far. Likewise, in vehicle recoveries, in 2022, 67 vehicles were seized. In 2023, the number has gone up to 157, and in 2024, 12. In 2022, after analysis of the NDPS data, we found that the recoveries of the narcotic drugs and arrest of the drug traffickers mainly were affected in 28 police stations, but in 2023 the number of police stations has gone up to 30, and in 2024 in the first 2 months the 32 police stations were affected. So by this data, you can very well imagine the gravity of the problems. Likewise, we have recovered the total drug cost. If you, by calculating the existing market rate, 75 crore rupees drugs were recovered in 2022. In 2023, the 170 crore rupees drugs were recovered, and in 2024, nearly 21 crore rupees drugs were recovered. So, nearly 300 crore rupees drugs were recovered during the last 2 years. This the operations done by the Heroin police and seizing 4,750 kg marijuana. This marijuana is a pure grade marijuana, and mainly the initial point was the Sipai Jhala district of Tripura, and from this it was passing through the Meghalaya, and we were able to nab the culprits, and now the case is under investigations. So this is regarding the recovery of drugs during last 2 years. But problem is still very, very serious. The Meghalaya state is still very sensitive because of its close proximity to the Golden Triangle areas. Earlier it was a transit, but now it has become the destination and transit both. The number of the consumers or the drug abuser in the state are continuously increasing, and which is cause of concerns for all of us. To tackle this menace, the Meghalaya police has adopted certain strategy like creating awareness, generating awareness, particularly among the youth by organizing awareness program in the school, college and university, and also continuously operations against the drug traffickers. Many of the drug traffickers are repeated offenders, and many of them are the interstate gangs. So Meghalaya police is committed to prevent this menace. The technologies to nab the drug traffickers, and our special branch and the CIDs, they are playing pivotal roles in using technology to trace the backward and the forward linkages of the drug traffickers. We are also sharing our inputs with the adjoining states so that the coordinated efforts can be put to control these problems.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.